Welcome back to the Cocktail Corner. Today, we're diving into Brazil's national cocktail, the Caipirinha. This drink is simple, refreshing, and packed with citrusy goodness. Let's make one together. Here is the recipe to build this cocktail. 2 ounces of cachaça, 1 lime cut into 8 wedges, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, crushed ice. Now, let's build the cocktail. Start with your lime, cut it into 8 wedges and place them directly into your glass. We're building this cocktail right in the glass, no shaker needed. Add 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar to the glass. Grab a muddler and gently press down on the lime wedges. Don't overdo it. You want to release the juice and oils without pulverizing the lime. Pour in 2 ounces of cachaça, the spirit that gives this cocktail its distinctive flavor. Fill the glass with crushed ice and give it a quick stir to combine everything. Garnish with a lime wedge. And that's the Caipirinha. Simple, refreshing, and packed with flavor. Thanks for joining me at the Cocktail Corner. Don't forget to subscribe for more cocktail recipes, and I'll see you next time. Cheers!